So the last thing that we need to do today is to also find the mode and the range, which we're going to use the visuals from Desmos. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to open up my spreadsheet of data. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my Desmos calculator as well. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my spreadsheet. Remember, you only have to analyze 4 of the tabs down at the very bottom of the spreadsheet in order to receive full credit. You can do all 7 if you want to do that extension for extra credit. So the easiest way to get all of the responses from the spreadsheet into Desmos is to go, after you've selected the question you want to analyze, go and just click on the A, and it should highlight everything down below. Hit Control-C to copy all of them. We'll go over to Desmos. We can hit Control-V, and it pastes every single response that people submitted yesterday during Monday's lesson. We had 50 people, teachers and students combined, which is pretty good. Now we need to click and then scroll over to the very, very beginning because we have to name the list so we can tell Desmos what to do with it. Since we had 50 people, it might take a second to scroll all the way to the beginning of the list. Once you get to the very, very beginning, you can choose any letter you want. I'm going to use A equals, and it will name the list for us. Now, in order to find the mean, which is the average, we can type in mean parentheses A, and Desmos literally just added up all 50 of those numbers, then divided by 50, the number of numbers we added up. Now we can type in median parentheses A, and Desmos literally just took all 50 of those numbers, reordered it from smallest to largest, and found the exact middle number. Remember, the median is the exact middle number of all the responses. Now, Desmos can't do the mode or the range, but our dot plot will help us get there from yesterday. So I'm going to type in dot plot parentheses A. I'm going to hit the plus sign. So it'll sort of reorder so I can see all of the responses. Now the range is the biggest, largest response minus whatever the smallest number, the smallest amount of toilet paper. So if I click on the dot here, one person said that they have 128 rolls of toilet paper. We're going to your house if we need. Now, if we go all the way to the end here, it looks like 3 people said that they had 4 rolls. So we're going to subtract the biggest number that comes up first in the point, 128, minus that first number again, 4. So the range here would be 124. It's a huge spread in how much toilet paper is in all of our house. Now the mode is whichever response happened the most often. So we can look at the height of these dots to see what was the most common number of toilet paper. I can see here, this column is definitely the tallest. So if I go up to the very top here, this means that 7 people said they had 10 rolls of toilet paper. So this first number 10 will be the mode.